Officer, never chase love,
Why not?
because love flies back like me.
You're a philosopher now?
Professor Parrot in session.
That's great.
Why not?
What do girls like to eat?
The minds of boys, because they don't have any brains.
Why?
Because they eat their own first, then start on ours.
Sir, where you come from in America?
I got married here. I'm America's citizen.
Do you have a passport?
Passport? No, officer. I just use my charm for border crossings. Customs officers call it